Today we will learn setting out a simple circular curve on the field. Objective: setting out a simple circular curve in the field by a linear method and checking it by an angular method. Theory: curves are generally used on highways and railways, where it is necessary to change the direction of motion. A curve may be circular, parabolic, or spiral, and is always tangential to the two straight directions. There are three types of circular curves: 1. Simple curve, 2. Compound curve, and 3. Reverse curve. Simple curve. A simple curve is the one that consists of a single arc of a circle. Figure 6.1 shows you elements of simple circular curve. T1 is equal to point of curve PC. T2 is equal to point of tangency PT. V is equal to point of intersection PI. Delta is equal to intersection or deflection angle. Capital D is equal to degree of curvature. So, radius of curvature R is equal to 5730 divided by capital D. Length of curve small l is equal to 100 delta by D. Super elevation small e is equal to capital B into S minus F divided by 1 plus SF, where S is equal to V square by small g into capital R. Small f is equal to friction factor, V is equal to maximum speed of vehicle, small g is equal to acceleration due to gravity. Depending on the instruments used, there are two main methods for setting out of simple curves, that is 1. Linear methods and 2. Angular methods. One of the linear methods is by perpendicular offset from tangents. Figure 6.2 shows you linear method by perpendicular offsets from tangents. One of the angular methods is Rankine's method of tangential or deflection angle. Figure 6.3 shows you angular Rankines. T1V is equal to rear tangent. Delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 is equal to the deflection angles or the angles which each of the successive chords T1A, AB, BC make with the respective tangents to the curve at T1A, B, C. Del 1, del 2, del 3 is equal to total tangential angles or the deflection angles to points A, B, C. C1, C2, C3 is equal to lengths of chord T1A, AB, BC. Significance: after participating in this field work, students will learn how to mark area of the ground and in what proportions for setting out circular curve using data from two intersecting straight proportions of different roads. Students will set the curve and check it following engineering principles. In particular, they will set the curve using perpendicular offset method and check for accuracy of point set using Rankine's method. Instrument used: theodolite, rope, pegs, example bamboo, steel tape. Procedure: methods of perpendicular offsets from tangents. 1. Measure distances x1, x2, x3 from the first tangent point T1 along the tangent. 2. Set perpendicular offsets OX at the corresponding point. 3. Set the super elevation along the road width. Check by Rankine's method of tangential angle. 4. Set the theodolite at T1 along the back tangent PT1. 5. Rotate it to the pegs at A, B, C. Measure the successive chord distances C1, C2, C3 and the deflection angles del 1, del 2, del 3. 6. Compare the deflection angles with the calculated deflection angles.